have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep or partially asleep or fully awake. Have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep, to be asleep.
Authorities are still investigating mysterious drone activity observed several times in northern New Jersey recently.
But what are your thoughts on this? What's happening, and why don't we have more information? That's over my house. Yeah.
It's one of three things. It's either individuals, it's either the Chinese, or it's our military, or a combination thereof. One bill that had
mysterious drone sightings now in 12 New Jersey counties, and it's still unclear where they're coming from.
Morris County, because back on the 16th, 17th, 18th of November, a few weeks ago, he called the show and he said, Bill, there are drones over my house. And last night there was a Black Hawk helicopter that was sitting in front of them. He said, I have no idea what's going on, but I've called the FAA. I'm calling the state police. And here we are weeks later, and it's increasing. They're everywhere. And, you know, according to reports, and I literally have done my entire show in the last week and a half has been on this drone issue, because callers from all over the state are calling in to say some of these drones are the size of cars. And what occurred to me that when the state police and the FBI are asking for our help, how do they not know what's happening? So the size of these drones, it's not like they can stay airborne forever. They've got to land somewhere. Chances are they're landing somewhere locally. Why is it only happening at night? Why is it happening on and around our military bases, both the Joint Base in Monmouth, Picatinny Arsenal in North Jersey? So there are a lot of questions.
Spotted in the New Jersey night sky, prompting an FBI investigation. Residents in Morris County have been recording the large drones which appear in the sky at night. They say it started in mid-November. So joining me now is Mayor Sam Morris.
The same block. So I got in my car and I rode around here. And by the time I got around here, which is only about a half-mile ride, the drones had all moved east over the town of Dover, New Jersey, kind of in between us. There's a large county park, and they were everywhere. I have a video of, it was 4 with a kind of a stationary drone. What it appeared to us was, was there was one drone that was just stationary, and 4 were going back and forth in a scanning pattern. You know, I'm a little older, so I would, look like Palm from back in the day, right? Back, forth, and they went over the town of Dover. I went down into Dover to see a better look, get some more pictures, and they moved east again. And that was my own personal observation. I have residents reporting, last night some residents reported that there were, over various times of the evening, they were watching, and there were 12 over our lake. And they can't get pictures because they come out really grainy, and they're still like little dots on cell phones.
Airplanes wrapped in Christmas lights. Es como que a veces se ve más, es como que van de un lado para el otro, boludo.
Amigo, están muy cerca, son ovnis seguros.
Están muy cerca, claro.
Ovni asegurado.
¿Por qué, mano? No. Van a 2 por hora, culiado, que se están filmando,
¿Qué 2
boludo?
por hora? Van rapidísimo, amigo.
Van rapidísimo.
What is that? Yeah, what is going on? Yeah, that is bizarre, dude. Like, what's going on, man? Like, there's one circling. You see that one circling over there? And then they go away.
It almost looked like how they had like the small lights on it.
Yeah, like what is happening?
But yeah, look at it turn on behind there.
Yeah.
What I don't understand is how they're circling so close.
Yeah, what is going on there?
Whatever's trailing behind them just disappears.
Yeah, then it's gone.
That's bizarre. That's unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that in my whole life.
What the heck is that, man?
Wow.
Okay, so when I say that there are literally hundreds of drones in the sky, I don't mean at one moment. They are coming across the sky at high numbers. So here I am in Lebanon Borough, and there's a drone, there's a drone, there's a drone, there's a drone, there's a drone. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 6 right there. So, oh, and wait, 7. So there's 7 or 8 drones out here, and there is nothing on flight radar 24. So when I say there is one down further, way further south, 100 or so. So they just keep coming. They are non-stop passing by.
There they are. There they are. There they are. Oh. Marmora, New Jersey. Here they are. And they do sound like drones. Yo, look. Looks like a triangle. Look. It looks like a fucking triangle. Go. But here they are. They look like a fucking triangle. They look like a triangle. No way. And an F-16 just flew over. No way. They look like triangles. Whoa. They look like triangles.
A lot of smoke and fire. We're on the highway, and out in the distance, we see all these lights going off. And there's some smoke over here. Oh, right! Yes, YouTube magic right there. The field's on fire. The sky is crazy. I don't know what's going on.
That is not an airplane. It's the latest in a string of mysterious drone sightings posted on social media that has residents worried. And this morning, the FBI is investigating.
They're just pacing back and forth, going very slow.
The drones, which appear to have been much larger than recreational drones, have been spotted all over New Jersey over the past weeks.
It looks like a spaceship.
From near Bedminster, the location of President Trump's golf course, to Monmouth County, where the sheriff's office has made this map of reported sightings.
Characteristic triangle lights underneath.
To Morris County, where 21 mayors signed a letter voicing their concerns to New Jersey's Governor Murphy.
Is we don't see any concern for public safety. Having said that, it's really frustrating that we don't have more answers as to where they're coming from.
And the sightings seem to be spreading.
This is the 3rd time that it's come around.
With large drones reportedly in the sky around Philadelphia.
Well, that's right. The woman who took those cell phone videos lives here along 3rd Avenue in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn. And she says she saw what she believed to be those drones over by the Verrazano Bridge. She posted those videos online, and now it's gotten the attention of Congresswoman Nicole Malliotakis, who represents this area. And she is among those demanding answers as to what is going on. Diane Atkins says she first heard a roaring noise and then looked out her window in Bay Ridge to see these lights, several in the sky near the Verrazano Bridge. She believes they are all drones.
They started to change from like white lights. They started to get like more like reddish green blinking lights. There had to be in total 10, maybe 12 of these things, and some of them came closer. They went over my building. You could hear the whir of the motor. They seemed pretty large.
Any chance they could be planes?
Absolutely not. Definitely not planes. And there were too many of them. There's no way planes could fly that close together.
Atkins shared her video on X, and Congresswoman Nicole Malliotakis reposted, demanding answers from the NYPD, FBI, and Department of Homeland Security. Over the weekend, drones were also spotted over Staten Island, and we've been telling you about numerous sightings over New Jersey. And the FBI says you can report those drone sightings by calling the FBI at
Someone called the cops on these lights. See, even the police, they're going crazy. Aliens are attacking. Oh my god, now cars they're starting to notice. Here comes another. Oh, fire truck.
Have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep or partially asleep or fully awake. Have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep